Meanwhile, waste in a Kosovo informal settlement is accumulating as extortion rackets hold waste collectors and the community at ransom. It's been weeks since waste was collected, and the community says this will soon become a health hazard. And while police are deployed to escort service providers, the city of Cape Town says it's working on a permanent solution. Here's Newzroom Afrika's Nasiphi, who filed this report.
Extortion rackets hindering service delivery. It's been weeks since waste was collected in the Kosovo informal settlement. The local waste contractor withdrew services from the area after growing threats and intimidation. And this has resulted in the Cape Town community illegally dumping waste.
Some of them was also threatened that if they don't pay, they'll face the consequences. And in fact, we've had one of our contractors losing a staff member that was shot. People in that community that wants to make a quick buck without doing anything and asking protection money for people to come and work in their areas. And they've now gone out and they've actually taxed these contractors, charging them for doing the services that they're rendering to the community for the city of Cape Town. With the support of our law enforcement and the Metro Police in the areas, it has now worked out a little bit for us.
Residents of Kosovo informal settlements say they do not know what to do anymore.
Because isixeko sasizile kwinyanga epheleyo uJP Smith ahamba nolandika nomeya uJordan beza kakanye apho uzoyibona imeko but uzothi khangoku asikaboni intshukumo yesixeko ezamazamana nento ba inkunkuma kube clean apha kule ndawo sihlala kuyo Kosovo. Ugqityelwe kwakule nyanga ipheleyo uqokelelo kwenkunkuma. Inkunkuma ngoku igcwele yonke indawo kunzima nohamba imoto njengubona apha icontainer njengubona la container imengela hlobo. Nayo le nkunkuma ivala nedrain, idrain ziblokile iblockage ngaphakathi nje ngenxa yale nto le nkunkuma. Abantu abakwazi nokuthini.
Trying to access basic services has become a health hazard as waste continues to pile up.
Kunzima ukungena ezitoilet. Akukho ndlela yokubana abantu bakwazi uzithuma because of akukwazeki into bazikline, so ziyachaphazela ke ngoku into obana zinempethu, so zimdaka for into bangangena.
While Cape Town's law enforcement has made attempts to take action against extortionists by escorting waste collectors, community leaders say they can also play a role.
Esona sicelo sethu if i-services baziyekiswa kuba besoyika sicela endaweni ka-law enforcement bathumele i-services zizoklina eKosovo thina sizozigada because kumdaka endaweni yethu.
The city says deploying law enforcement and Metro Police to escort contractors into communities like Philippi East, Browns Farm, Samora Michelle and Crossroads is not a permanent solution. Instead, they will be employing local residents to work in the EPWP program to clean their communities. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Nasiphi in Cape Town.